Preparing for exam day.
Before your cloud certification exam, double-check your registration details and required identification. Gather necessary materials like approved IDs or admission tickets. Review exam objectives to refresh key topics, but avoid last-minute cramming. Aim for a good night's sleep and eat a healthy meal beforehand. Feeling rested and organized will help you start the day with confidence and focus.
Arriving at the test center or logging in.
Whether testing in person or online, arrive early or log in ahead of time to handle check-in procedures without rushing. At physical centers, security measures may include ID checks, personal item storage, and digital scans. For remote exams, ensure your computer, webcam, and internet connection meet requirements. Being prompt allows you to settle any technical or administrative issues calmly.
Understanding the exam format.
Most cloud certification exams use multiple choice questions, drag-and-drop tasks, and scenario-based problems. Familiarize yourself with the interface through practice exams if available. Expect a timer, a clear way to flag questions for review, and possibly mandatory breaks. Know the rules about leaving your seat or contacting proctors. This preparation will help you manage time effectively during the test.
Staying calm and focused.
Nerves are normal, but steady breathing and positive self-talk can help you maintain focus. Read each question carefully, marking difficult ones for later review if possible. Don't dwell too long on one problem. Move on and return if time allows. Trust your preparation and answer thoughtfully, but remember, it's okay if you don't know every answer. Stay calm to perform your best.
After the exam, what's next?
After submitting your exam, you may receive results instantly or by email, depending on the provider. Take note of any feedback or score reports. Whether you pass or need to retake, reflect on the experience to identify strengths and improvement areas. Celebrate your effort. Preparing for a cloud certification exam is a valuable step on your tech career path.